Hey, this is me building a YouTube automation community in public. So basically the format of this type of content is to just bring a ton of value right off the bat. And when I bring more value to people, more people are likely to convert into my paying products, which is higher conversion rate. So today's topic is going to be more about mindsets and the misconception that people had when first starting out. Here are the common paths that we see. Some creators earn tens of thousands of dollars per month on YouTube, right? But others spend 3 months without even qualifying for monetization. And what is the difference between them? The difference is not about luck, looks, or expensive equipment. It's about who is more consistent, right? Who understands the strategy better and who keeps testing, analyzing, and optimizing the content. So here's the common misconception. Just upload the videos and you will make money. That is absolutely wrong. Because why? YouTube has certain thresholds for eligibility for monetization, right? So the first threshold is 10,000 subscribers, 10,000 subs, right? And then another one is 4,000 watch hours, I think, for long form, right? Long form, I think I spelled it wrong. Sorry for my bad handwriting. And then for maybe short form is 10 mil views, I think. 10 mil views, if I'm not wrong. Short form, right? And that is the last 90 days. So that is the threshold that you must cross, you must earn before you are eligible to make money on YouTube. Next thing is thinking that AI can make everything for you. Wrong. Why? AI is a tools and you, let's say this is you right here, a very bad hand-drawn figure. You right here, you are a decision maker. You are a decision maker, right? You use AI, but if you don't have the right content strategy, right? You don't have the right content strategy, you don't have the right knowledge about YouTube automation, then everything will still completely messed up and you won't earn a penny. And the last one is which is why I'll try posting 2 or 3 videos to see if it works, right? So like, oh, test a little bit. You must understand that YouTube is a long-term machine, right? It's not a lottery ticket because here's the hard truth. Here's the harsh truth. Every successful creator has one thing in common, which is they are willing to post 50 to 100 videos before expecting any real traction or views. That is the real truth. And making money on YouTube is not for everyone. But if you are strategic and consistent and committed about it, here's the key. It is one of the best digital assets you will ever build, right? It is a digital assets. So that's about it. If you want to work one-on-one with me, you could access the landing page that I've linked down below and watch through a quick VSL, decide whether or not you want to book a call. And yeah, that's it. Bye.